pages of the past, carved a map on my soul. Every scar a bitter laugh, a story yet untold. The weight of every teardrop, a burden I once bore. But the fire in my heart refused to die anymore. Pain, oh pain, you tried to break me down, but with every blow I rose from the ground. Strength coursed through my veins, a warrior's might. You forged my spirit in the darkest night. Trail sting, a twisting knife, doubt a whispering foe. But the cracks within my armor helped my resilience grow. The whispers turned to anthems of defiance and pride. The scars became my compass, a map where I could confide. Pain, oh pain, you tried to break me down, but with every blow I rose from the ground. Strength coursed through my veins, a warrior's might. You forged my spirit in the darkest night. The wounds may never fully heal, the echoes may remain, but I won't let the darkness steal the fire that burns again. Forged in the crucible of pain, I stand here unafraid. My resilience is my anthem, a victory parade. Pain, oh pain, you tried to break me down, but with every blow I rose from the ground. Strength coursed through my veins, a warrior's might. You forged my spirit in the darkest night. I am the storm that weathered the rain, I am the flame that burns through the pain. Pain gave me strength, that's the truth I hold, and now I rise, a warrior bold.